Hello everyone, Namaste. Today we are discussing practical way to practice acceptance in your life. When you are in feelings of gratitude or thankfulness towards what you have, then that means you are accepting what you are thankful for. And so you are automatically practicing acceptance in your life. If you want to know more about gratitude, you can watch my videos on my YouTube channel. I have given a lot of information on gratitude. I'll meet you in next videos. This is Aditi Gupta, life and business coach and strategist, signing off. Thank you.